Here is why there was drama at the Golden Demon at Essen without the drama.
The first thing you need to know about the Golden Demons is that there are 5 layers of awards. First, you have the notable entry, then the finalist pin, commended entry, Golden Demon, and then finally the Slayer Sword.
Supposedly there was over 1,000 entries and only 3 judges, 2 of them coming from Games Workshop.
Allegedly, these 2 were staff of the marketing team rather than actual painters.
Though we cannot find any information to confirm or deny this.
The reason why there's drama is because there were many high-level painters whose works weren't even considered for the finalist pin, let alone notable entry.
Most prominent of these was Zumikito Minatures. Returning to our chart, I think this will help you understand why there is drama.
The reason why there's drama is because to be considered for the Slayer Sword, you have to be a Golden Demon winner, not silver, not bronze. So if you were silver or bronze, you were considered 2 or 3 layers below the Slayer Sword winner.
This is not to say that these people don't have talent. In fact, they're brimming with it. However, when you take a look at it objectively, that is what it means.
So if you were awarded commended entry, you could be considered 5 to 8 levels below the Slayer Sword. If you got the finalist pin, you could be considered 9 to 12 layers below. And finally, if you got notable entry, you could be considered 13 to 15 levels below the Slayer Sword.
This is just us considering for each category that there would be 3 levels, gold, silver, and bronze.
So you'd have to win gold at each category for you to be able to move up to the next level.
Keeping this simple consideration in mind, this will help you understand why people are so upset. With this in mind, what they are saying is that Zumikito's entry is 13 to 14 times worse than the Golden Demon winner.
And this is why there is so much upset. Zumikito, Travarion, Vince Ventrella, and so many others have noted the dismay at the turn of these events.
We will join these creators in going out of our way to not villainize the winners of this event. They have shown great talent and put in a great deal of effort.
All the creators who have commented on this have gone out of their way to note this, and we would like you to note this as well.
One particular winner from the open category was villainized quite a great deal because their entry looks exactly like the Games Workshop box art. They became a focal point for the fact that this is probably because of the Games Workshop marketing judges.
We would like to commend Travarion for taking great pains to defend this person.
How could this be fixed in the future? Ensure that feedback is given and, of course, have more judges.
Thank you for your time, and I hope that this has kept you informed.
And as always, keep those brushes wet. Bye-bye.